If your Vizio TV will not turn on, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through several simple fixes that can help bring your TV back to life. Many times the issue is something very small that can be resolved in just a few minutes. Let's start with the first and easiest thing to check. The first thing you want to do is confirm that your TV is actually receiving power. This might sound obvious, but loose power connections are one of the most common reasons a TV will not turn on. Take a moment to check the power cable behind your TV and make sure it is firmly plugged into both the television and the wall outlet. If the cable looks secure, try unplugging it completely and plugging it back in again. Sometimes simply reseating the power cable can restore the connection and allow the TV to power on normally. If the TV still does not turn on, the next thing to try is a power reset. This is a very common fix that works on many smart TVs. To perform a power reset, unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. After unplugging it, wait about 30 seconds. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 10 seconds. This helps drain any remaining power that may still be stored inside the TV. After that, plug the TV back into the wall outlet and try turning it on again. In many cases, this simple reset will solve the issue. If your TV still will not turn on, the next thing you should check is the remote control. Sometimes the TV is actually fine, but the remote is the real problem. Try replacing the batteries in your remote and then attempt to power on the TV again. You can also try pressing the power button directly on the television itself. Most TVs have a physical power button located on the bottom, back, or side of the screen. If the TV turns on using the button on the television but not the remote, then the issue is most likely with the remote control rather than the TV. Another thing to check is the outlet your TV is plugged into. Occasionally, a wall outlet may stop working due to a tripped breaker or power strip issue. Try plugging the TV into a different outlet in your home to see if that restores power. If your TV shows a small standby light but still will not power on, that could indicate the TV is receiving power but is stuck in a frozen state. Performing the power reset we mentioned earlier often resolves this type of problem. If none of these steps solve the problem, there may be a deeper hardware issue inside the television that requires professional repair. However, in most situations, one of the simple fixes we covered in this video will get your TV working again. If this video helped you fix your smart TV, consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tech tips and troubleshooting guides. And if you know someone else who's having trouble with their TV, feel free to share this video with them as well. Thanks for watching.